There are countless beautiful and exquisite birds in the world, from those with bright colors to those with unique feathers. This beauty can be seen in various aspects, such as the variety of feather colors, dazzling patterns, or unique physical appearance. These birds have an extraordinary diversity of colors, which serve for communication, attracting mates, environmental adaptation, or camouflage. These colors are influenced by pigments, feather structure, and the environment, with tropical birds tending to be more colorful. In this video, I'll take you to see and learn about 10 stunning purple birds. The first bird is the violet-backed starling. This bird has a shimmering purple head and back and pure white underparts. It's a relatively small starling species, measuring about 17 centimeters in length. The violet-backed starling is a common bird found in sub-Saharan Africa. Its natural habitat is open woodland, gallery forest, forest edges, and open fields, and it lives at altitudes up to 6,900 feet. The male has a sparkling purple and white body, while the female has a striking brown striped body and a thick white striped underside. The next purple bird is the violet sabrewing. The violet sabrewing is the largest hummingbird species in Mexico and Central America. It measures approximately 5 to 6 inches in length. This bird species can be found from Mexico, then spreads south through Guatemala, southern Belize, Honduras, and El Salvador to northern Nicaragua. This bird inhabits the edges and interior of humid evergreen mountain forests, banana plantations, and gardens. It is generally found between 1,600 and 6,600 feet in elevation, but can be found as high as 8,200 feet. It is largely sedentary, but individuals often migrate to the lowlands after the breeding season. The third bird is the purple honeycreeper. The violet honeycreeper is a small bird, about 4.5 inches long and weighing about 12 grams. Males are purple, while adult females and juveniles have green upperparts and yellowish yellow underparts with green stripes. This bird is native to northern South America, with its coastal range west of the Andes, including parts of southern Panama. It feeds on nectar, berries and seeds, fruits, and insects, especially in the canopy. It is a bold and inquisitive bird. The next bird is a beautiful bird, like a bird from paradise, the Japanese paradise flycatcher. It is also known as the black paradise flycatcher. It is a medium-sized songbird native to Asia, breeding in Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, and the northern Philippines. Outside the breeding season, this bird migrates to China, Laos, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, and Indonesia. Adult males have a black hood with a purplish sheen, pale white underparts, and a very long tail. Females, on the other hand, are duller in color and have shorter tails. They feed on a variety of insects, such as flies, beetles, ants, grasshoppers, moths, butterflies, termites, spiders, and others. The fifth purple bird is the violet cuckoo. The violet cuckoo is a species of cuckoo with a bright, glossy purple plumage, with a white belly with broad stripes. The female has a mottled, greenish-bronze upperparts, a dark brown crown, and a white streaked breast. This bird can be found from northeastern India to Southeast Asia and the Philippines. Southern populations are sedentary, while northern populations appear to migrate. This bird is primarily an insectivore, but also eats fruit. It is a brood parasite and lays its eggs in the nests of other birds. Males are active and vocalize during the breeding season to attract mates. Next up is the purple martin. This bird is the largest swift in North America. It's not actually purple. Its dark blue-black feathers have an iridescent sheen caused by light diffraction, giving it a deep purple appearance. In certain lighting conditions, it can even appear green. The adult female is dark above with a slight sheen and lighter below. This bird has a body length of up to 8 inches and a wingspan of up to 15 inches. This bird's breeding range extends from central Alberta to the eastern United States. Other subspecies also occur in Baja California, Arizona, and New Mexico. During the winter, they migrate, sometimes stopping briefly in the Yucatan Peninsula, Cuba, and North America. They spend the winter in South America. Seven, American purple gallinule. The American purple gallinule is a species of wading bird found in the Americas. This bird is found in southern Florida, the Gulf and Pacific coasts of Mexico, parts of Central America, the Caribbean, and inland in parts of Central America. They can also be found from South America to Canada. Their habitat is freshwater marshes with dense vegetation. These birds are medium-sized, measuring 10 to 15 inches in length. They consume seeds and fruits from both aquatic and terrestrial plants. They also eat insects, larvae, spiders, frogs, snails, earthworms, and fish. The eighth purple bird is the common scimitarbill. This bird is dark in color with a purple sheen. It lives in southern and eastern Africa. Its natural habitats include tropical and subtropical dry forests, savannas, and open woodlands. They also use tree cavities as nesting sites. The common scimitarbill measures approximately 26 to 30 centimeters in length and weighs about 35 grams. Its diet consists of flower nectar, berries, and insects that live on tree bark and twigs. It uses its unique beak to search for insects in crevices in the bark. 9. A beautiful bird with sparkling colors, the purple starling. The purple starling is a bird that breeds in tropical Africa, from northern Senegal and Zaire to Sudan and western Kenya. They inhabit open forests and agricultural lands. Its body length is about 22 to 23 centimeters. Its tail is short, and its eyes are yellow. Males and females are similar. In the wild, this bird is a noisy, gregarious bird, with the distinctive chirping and chirping sounds of a starling. It nests in a hole, containing 2 eggs. It is a fruit and insectivorous bird. (10) Purple sunbird. This is a small bird in the sunbird family. Less than 3.9 inches long. The male is a purplish metallic black. The female is olive brown above with yellowish underparts. This bird is widespread from West Asia, through the Indian subcontinent, to Southeast Asia. Its habitat is sparse forests and gardens, including in dense urban areas. They primarily feed on nectar but also eat fruits and insects. They rarely hover on flowers and usually perch to forage for nectar. They are important pollinators of several plant species.